New cars have gotten outrageously expensive these days. So in today's video, I want to give you 5 tips to keep your car running up to 300,000 miles or more problem-free. Today's cars no longer have a carburetor. What they have is a fuel injection system that's controlled by a fuel pump that's located in the gas tank. And there's a very important reason for this. The fuel pump is in the gas tank to help keep that pump cool. One of the best tips I can ever give you about a car is to never let the gas tank get below a quarter tank. Because what ends up happening is there's not enough fuel in the gas tank now to keep your fuel pump cool. It'll end up overheating and it'll give you problems down the road. Next up, and I'm sure you hear it all the time, is you wouldn't believe how extremely important it is to keep up with your vehicle's maintenance schedule. That includes changing all your filters, air, fuel, oil, trans, you name it, change it. Rotate your tires, change the oil, change the radiator fluid. Do all of your vehicle's maintenance schedules. There's a very important reason for this maintenance schedule, and it's quite simply to help you get more life out of your car. It was a big joke under Obama about keeping your tires inflated because it'll help improve your fuel economy, and I have to say it's true. But not only that, it'll prevent a lot of wear and tear on your tires, just keeping them properly inflated and rotated. The cost of tires right now is sky high, and who wants to have to replace them prematurely? Here's another easy one. Simply keep your car clean. And I don't mean wash it and wax it constantly and vacuum out the interior. I mean make sure when you're cleaning your car, you don't neglect the undercarriage. It's a very simple process. When you take it to the spray wash, just simply take the sprayer and spray the undercarriage of your vehicle. All cars are covered with a beautiful paint, and most parts on it are also galvanized. But if you don't keep all those abrasive materials and chemicals off your vehicle from the daily driving that you do, it will prematurely help your car start to rust and not make it function as well. This next one is probably one of the most important things I can ever tell you. Most people only drive their car an average of 10 to 15 minutes to go from point A to point B. And believe it or not, that is absolutely horrible for your car. The reason being is your car never gets up to temperature, and what starts occurring over time is you start getting some carbon buildup on your motor's interior pieces. It'll cause things like your valve guides and seats prematurely failing, your exhaust prematurely rotting off your vehicle, and even failures in your cooling system. But there's a very simple thing you can do to help prevent all that. I have over 235,000 miles on my current car, and it's because I drive highway. And if you just simply take your car out on the highway and drive it at least once a month for 30 minutes, you will help keep all that carbon buildup blown out of the engine and prevent all the horrible damage that will occur from not driving it all the time.